Welcome all for today's session on course Java Programming for Beginners. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic decision statement. In previous session, we discussed the two decision statement supported by a Java programming language. The first form of decision statement is simple if statement. Second form of decision statement is if else statement. And after that, we discuss the another two forms of decision statement like nested if statement and the if else if ladder statements. These are the various kind of decision statement or conditional statement we have discussed in the last session. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the switch statement. The switch statement is also one of the conditional or addition statement in which in switch statement a switch expression value is get compared with a certain number of case values. If a switch expression value is get matched with a specific case value, then that case is get executed. Here switch statement is also called as a choice statement, also called as a choice statement or a select statement. Okay, switch statement will select a specific case based on the case value and the switch expression value. If both are get matched, then that case is get executed. Here the switch case, here the switch expression having type either integer, character, byte. Here the switch expression or switch statement takes the following form. The switch expression, here the value of switch expression is get compared with the value of case expression. When the value of switch expression is get matched with any case expression, that case is get executed. Once a case is get executed, then a break statement of that case statement is get executed. Once a break statement of the case is get executed, the execution control will get transferred out of the switch. Here inside the switch case, there is one default case is there. If the switch expression value is not get matched with any case value or any case expression value, in that case, a default case is get executed. Here, the switch statement takes an ordinal values like byte, short, int, long, or character as a switch expression values. The switch expression values are get matched with a case expression values. If a switch expression values are get matched with any case value, with any case expression value, that case is get executed, and after the execution of break statement of that case, the execution control is get transferred out of the switch. If the switch expression value is not get matched with any case expression value, then in that case a default case is get executed. The switch statement will evaluate the expression. If there is an associated case statement that matches that value, the program execution will transfer to that case statement for its execution. The case statement will have a corresponding case expression that must be unique. Whatever case expression is defined after the case keyword, that must be unique. the case expression is get matched with this switch case expression, when the value of both is get matched, then ultimately that case is get executed. Here the case statement. Inside the case statement, the programmer can write a break statement. Once here, the break statement is an optional statement. Once here, the break statement is executed, the execution control get transferred out of the switch. But if break statement is not specified inside the case statement, the program will execute all the line from the matching case statement to the end of the block. Means whatever cases are written after the case which is get executed, that all the cases are get executed up to the end of the switch case block. Your default case is an optional case and it will be get executed if no case expression is get matched with a switch case expression. Here the example of this switch case statement is displayed here. Here user has to enter the number either 1, 2 or 3. And here the case expression is defined as a number and case values or case expression values are defined in terms of cases, case 1, case 2, case 3. Here 1, 2, 3 are the case expression and here number is switch case expression. When the user enters the number either 1 or 2 or 3, that number is get stored inside the number variable and that value of that number variable is get matched with 1. Okay, for example, if user enter 2, okay, that value is get matched with a case expression value 1, match is not found, then it will compare with case value 2 of case 2 expression, here match is found, then case 2 is get executed, it will print a message, you entered 2. And after the execution of break statement, the execution control is get transferred out of the switch. This is the example of the switch statement, how to write a switch statement inside the Java programming language. Then next one, for example, here if user enters the any other number or characters other than 1, 2, 3, then ultimately here that character or that value is get matched with all the case expression values. If no match is found, here no match is found because user enters here the L. Here no any case expression having the value L. Due to that, if no any case is get executed, execution control is transferred over a default case and it will execute a default case, that is, and it will print a message that's not 1, 2, 3. This is an example of when a default case is get executed. The next one here, without a break statement. Okay, if user does not specify a break statement and if case value is, if switch case expression is get matched with a case expression value, in that case whatever cases are written after that case is get executed. Here for example, if you see here, okay, after the case A, after the case B, after the case C, no break statement is specified. Okay, if no break statement is specified, if for example, if user enters the food grade as a small a, then it will execute the case A and also execute the case capital A, and then it will transfer the control out of the switch. That is the example of a break. Okay, that is if user enters the small a, The small a is get matched with a case A. Okay, in case A, no break statement is specified, no any kind of statement is specified. Then instead of transferring a control out of loop, it will execute a case A and it will print a message 30% per gram, and it will execute a break statement. Once a break statement is get executed, it will transfer the control out of the switch. If, for example, if user enters B, capital B, it will execute a case B. It will print a message 20% per gram, and after the execution of break, it will transfer the control out of the switch. Here in today's session, we have discussed here the next conditional statement or decision statement is a switch statement. A switch statement is a multi-choice statement which having a multiple choices. From that, it will select a one choice or one case in which a switch expression value is exactly get matched with a case expression value. Once execution of that case is over, after the execution of break statement, the execution control is get transferred out of the switch. If the switch expression value is not get matched with any case expression value, then a default case is get executed, and control after the execution of break, a control is get transferred out of this switch. Thank you.